All right, so we're gonna go to neurological screen physical test tandem gait. And then you have two passive range of motion cervical test. I'm going to reveal the notes for you on this section of your notes. So passive range of motion cervical test. Dr. Trainer performs passive cervical spine range of motion testing on athlete. And here is what passive means. Passive is you performing for them. So passive would be you moving their head in specific directions for them. Make that a little smaller so it fits on the lines you had created for yourself. So passive is you performing for them. Example, your hands on head and moving the head in different directions while they remain still. Passive directions, I'm going to perform a series of tests on you to see how your neck is moving, then perform all ranges of motion for them. Here's passive directions. Passive flexion. Doctor or trainer moves athlete's head forward and downward, so chin moves toward chest. Head moving forward, so person is looking downward. Passive extension. Doctor trainer moves athlete's head backward and upward, so chin moves away from the chest and face is moving toward the ceiling or sky. Head moving backwards, so person is looking upward. Bless you. Next one is passive left lateral flexion. Or left lateral bending. It can be referred to as that as well. Doctor trainer moves athlete's head to the left, so left ear moves toward left shoulder without a left shoulder hike. Left ear down to left shoulder. A right lateral flexion is the exact opposite as left lateral flexion. Dr. Trainer moves athlete's head to the right so that the right ear moves toward the right shoulder without a right shoulder hike. Passive left rotation. Doctor Trainer rotates athlete's head to the left as far as they can rotate comfortably so that the athlete's face is looking to the left. Head rotating and turning to the left. Here is the last movement. So that would lead you into your eye movement test, which obviously is already written down because you've covered those tests already. So let me show you what the passive range of motion looks like of the cervical spine. This video is to demonstrate what passive range of motion of the cervical spine looks like. Okay, so passive range of motion is the doctor or trainer performing the motion for the athlete. Okay, so I'm going to move your head in different positions. You just let me know if there's any pain with any of the positions that I put your head in, okay? So flexion, one hand goes on top of the head, other hand goes behind the head. And it's just a gentle movement, moving her chin to her chest. Is there any pain with this at all? That is passive flexion. Okay, I'm gonna move your head back now. You tell me if there's any pain with this, okay? Same hand placements, hand on the front of the head, the other hand on the back of the head. You let me know if there's any pain. Any pain with that? So for lateral flexion to the right and left, the hand placement will be slightly altered. One hand on the front of the head, the other hand on the side of the head near the ear. I'm gonna move your head to the right. You let me know if there's any pain with this down. No. And then for the alternate motion, we'll come to the opposite side of the individual. Hand on the front of the head, other hand on the side of the head. Let me know if there's any pain with this. No. And for left and right rotation, the hands will be positioned in a different location in order to appropriately move the head into each rotational side. I'm gonna move your head to the left now. You let me know if there's any pain on this. You can move your head to the right now. Let me know if there's any pain with this. I've just switched positions of my body to move to the other side of the athlete. And now my right hand is on the left side of her head, covering her left ear. And my left hand is on the right side of her head, covering her right ear. You let me know if there's any pain with this.
No.
And that completes my demonstration of how to effectively perform passive range of motion of the cervical spine on an athlete. This video is to demonstrate